Okay, let's start it off here. Week number 5, day 21. Eyeing up a signal on the Euro New Zealand dollar. Gonna get some sell stop orders down. We got the Chaikin oscillator crossing beneath zero, price below the moving average. And it has been a bit flip-floppy across the Chaikin over the last couple of weeks, but nevertheless, gotta get into one sooner or later. So you can see the risk on screen, 0.09 standard lots. And going for 175 pips for the stop loss just above this candle here. So there's subtrade A and there's subtrade B. Let's get the stop loss and take profit levels in now. Here they go for subtrade A. You can see with the round off 96.87 to the stop loss, and same for take profit. Always does seem really far away. Is that beneath the support level? Well, it's been here before, so there's always potential. Got to get into it first, but let's set the stop loss for subtrade B. Okay, and make it, of course, the trailing stop loss. 175 pips. Okay, that's a good start. No other signals for us. Pound New Zealand dollar continues to drop and the NZD climbs against the USD, so it's possible we've missed it now getting in on the Euro one, but we gotta try something. Even the pound CAD, if it goes above again on the Chaikin, starting to look tempting. Has been a low volume day today due to President's Day in America, so hopefully back to business tomorrow and we get a real volume push. Alrighty. See how it's looking then. Day number 22, and we are into the Euro New Zealand dollar. Like to see that. Not quite in profit yet, has come back a bit. That's okay. Happy to be in it. Pound CAD might come through for us, taking a big push today. Not quite above the zero, but if it was to go above tomorrow, could see a potential stop order there. Got to look out for them. US dollar CAD close as well. Very close on the Chaikin. Just a little bit of a push tomorrow would take it over. Let's hope so. The more signals, the merrier, but nothing tonight, sadly. Keep an eye on these tomorrow. Day number 23, let's begin. Euro New Zealand dollar still in there, just about a bit of profit for us. Only slight, did make a push down today, but back up it's come since. Now just hovering at that entry price. Otherwise, so close to finding ourselves the signal. We were looking at the Euro Australian dollar. Didn't want to take a buy here because we're selling off the Euro New Zealand dollar and they usually move pretty close to one another. But that Chaikin was above zero, just dropped below. I'm sure we'll see, price been coming down over the last couple hours on the 30-minute chart. We can see back on the daily, so nothing there. Thought we were going to have one on the pound Australian dollar though. Wouldn't have minded taking the buy trade here, and the Chaikin, same as the Euro Aussie, had been up and had been looking like a trade for us, but the last couple hours down it comes, so that does leave us dry for a signal, sadly. That pound Aussie had been looking pretty sweet. Pound CAD's really close as well. Keeps drifting up and down over the zero. Need it a little bit more certain than that, so have to avoid anything tonight. But still to win it with the Euro NZD, and hopefully more signals and trades still to come. Day number 24, got it going on today. Euro New Zealand dollar looking good. That's on the drop, just under $30 up per sub trade. Keep heading downwards, please. And we are going to take these two signals on the pound. We looked at them previously, came close, now they've gone over. Pound Aussie and pound CAD, so let's do the pound Aussie first. Going to the low of this third candle back here. And I'm going to call it 150 pips. Buy stop orders are going to go down for us, pending buy stop 0.10 standard lots. Here we go on subtrade A with the stop loss and take profit set. Down it goes, they see at 98.35. Take profit up at the resistance level, not too bad. Quite like it when it's not above it, and got a little bit of a distance to get into the trade as well. Should need a push rather than just being bumped in by mistake. Let's get subtrade B down now. Buy stop order, oh yeah, there it is. Just pull that up there and let's slap a trailing stop loss on. Want it to trail long and far. 1500 points there, 150 pips. Ready, set, go on the pound Aussie dollar. Now let's get that pound CAD in there. Buy stop order as well. This one with a round up to 0.11 standard lots. And 125 pips this time to the low of the third candle back. Here we go, stop loss and take profit set. You can see same again. This one a little over 101.98, slightly above this resistance level, but beneath back here. So in the general area still, and again, a little bit of breath before we get into the trade. Like to see it. Let's get that second one down now. Subtrade B. Okay, same stop loss. And just add the trailer, and we are there. There we go. Hoorah. Two stop trades for us. Imagine the way they look similar to one another. There's a good chance that we may get into both of them if we get into one of them. But we want to get this thing going here. Some of these trades could take a long time to settle, so better get in now. Alright, same as always. Let's see how they're getting on tomorrow. Day 25, let's round off this here week. Euro New Zealand dollar, not much movement, a little bit to the good, but barely changed. We are in the pound CAD now. Like to see that when it's blue. Just $10 up sub trade, but heading in the right direction. So hopefully get that push. Interestingly enough though, didn't get into the pound Aussie. That's stalled where it is. Came very close at one point. Can't quite see that stop order on the 30-minute chart. There it is. Yeah, just a handful of pips away. Never mind, we'll keep it open for now unless the signal disappears, because there is nothing new to take. Aussie CAD, that crossed above a price you can see right on top of the moving average. US dollar CAD, same thing. Aussie US dollar just going under. Yeah, quite a few and not quite today, but we'll be back on Monday. Let's just have a quick look at the journal before we go. Here's a dose of the journal then. Not too much change this week. These trades are slow movers. Still have managed to add those two this week. Euro, New Zealand dollar, pound CAD. Got the pound Aussie pending as well. So it is still looking a bit more promising as long as he's coming green at least. Otherwise we're going to start really heading down on the track. Already 1.5% down. Don't want to see that drop more, obviously. Once you start pushing to about minus 10%, you know it's going to be done at that stage. Very difficult to come back from this zero line crossover. Struggling at the minute. But only 3 trades as a sample size, so got to get more before we know. Let's keep at it.